Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you what my life is on a day-to-day basis. Not every day is the same. There's always something new going on. So at this time I had gotten back. As you could tell in the back, it's 10 o'clock at night. I went to Smart and Final to get some stuff I needed for the morning. I had to get some fresh fruits because I got a blender to make my husband his smoothies in the morning. So I had to get that. Also, I had to stock up my cookie jar because it was running low, and my kids need their cookies when they get home from school. It's just something that they look forward to, and I love to have stocked. And I use the Khloe Kardashian method to organize. It just looks really, really nice, and I enjoyed the process of doing it. Let me know if you use this method to organize your cookie jar or not, or what method do you use. But I really like the way it looks. It may not last longer than 30 minutes because my kids will destroy it, but it's nice while it lasts. I also like to use this container that I found at HomeGoods to organize my eggs. I think it looks really nice organized. And you could put this lid on and you could put whatever you want on top and it won't break through the egg carton. So I like that about that. I also unpacked my Ninja that I got. This is the blender that I was telling you guys about. I've been using this type of Ninja previously for about 2.5 years. I did move about a month ago and I left it behind, but I was gonna get one anyway, so this was my opportunity to go buy one, and here I am unpackaging. I love this blender. It's just really nice. It's big and you could fit anything. I think I could make about 2 good size cups of smoothies with this size blender. I would definitely recommend it. I also like to keep this glass container with lemonade in the fridge. Where I live, it gets pretty hot around this time until October. Then that's when it starts cooling down. But I like to keep this container full of lemonade. It's self-serve. The kids could go in the refrigerator, serve themselves, and it's mess-free. And it's way cheaper than having to buy apple juice, plastic containers every other day. This container lasts me about 3 days in the fridge, and then I have to fill it up again. So this is the next day. I am vacuuming my floor. This vacuum has a setting for vacuuming floors, so that's pretty neat. I don't have to use a broom and sweep dust everywhere. There's always dust on my floor, so I have to vacuum at least once a day. Also, I have to clean my table several times a day. No matter what my kids eat, there's always crumbs, and I have to keep it clean for the next meal. And I'm just using water. I'm not using anything fancy. Also, the floor, no matter what they eat, there always ends up crumbs on the floor. I am now moving on to the boys' room. I'm here holding up a couple of blankets they left lying around. Sometimes I really don't mind cleaning the boys' room because I do like things a certain way, and they're still trying to figure out what to do with the rooms, how to clean the rooms. So I'm just doing it myself. I really don't mind. Like I said, I like to keep it clean. I like to know that their room is nice and clean. So I just do their beds, and most of the time there's not much mess in there. It's just blankets on the floor or little toys here and there. I like to make it look nice. When I pass by their room, I like to see the beds done, and I have my own way of doing things, and I like to see it done. Let me know if you do your kids' bed and clean up the room, or if you have a method of having them get it done. Comment down below. I like to organize their TV stand and wipe down all the germs off their Nintendo and their phones. It just gives me a peace of mind to know that it's nice and clean for their next play. I also vacuum their room once a day just to clean up all the mess throughout the day. They walk in and out their room. We do leave sometimes, and I forget to take off their shoes once they go back in their room. So I'm just cleaning up the dust that collects throughout the day. Let me know how many times a day do you vacuum your kids' room. So organizing my kids' room is one of the things that I don't enjoy doing, but it has to be done. Somebody has to do it. My kids do it some days, some other days I like to do it when I just want to get it out of the way. Sometimes their dad helps them clean up. When I do clean up or when they clean up, we don't have an organized way to do it. We just dump the toys in the bag, and our goal is just to get all the toys removed off the ground and put away in a pile somewhere in the corner. When it's playtime again, they're going to use it, so there's no need for us to organize it by shape, color, or form when they all get played with. And I also like to vacuum their playroom once I'm done, just to get any little crumbs off the ground. They do eat here sometimes. They're allowed to eat here. The only place they're allowed to eat around the house is the dining table and the playroom. Sometimes they're not allowed to eat in the rooms or on the couch, just to keep it nice and clean and sanitized. Let me know if you let your kids eat in their rooms or on the couch.